In this video, we'll explore the class theme, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. In the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit an older showcase. In the Showcase Settings page, click on the Theme tab. Here you can see all of the themes of JSN ImageShow. By default, Classic Theme is installed. Click on it to edit. Classic Theme provides you with two skins, JavaScript and Flash. By default, the JavaScript skin is applied. This skin comes with 70+ parameters on the panels and nice presentation ability on mobile devices. The Flash skin comes with similar parameters. But if you use the Flash skin, your gallery can't be displayed well on mobile devices. JSN ImageShow allows you to click on each element on the live view to configure the setting panel on the right. In this video, we'll choose the JavaScript skin to configure. Here you can expand or collapse the parameters on each accordion. Now let's start with the container panel. It allows you to set the configuration related to the container, such as background color, round corner, border stroke, or border color. Next is Image Panel. It allows you to set image presentation, background, watermark, and overlay effects. With image presentation, you can define the image presentation mode to activate when the gallery starts via two modes, flip in and expand out. Next is Settings for Background. It allows you to define the background type to present in the image panel, and set a value for the background type defined in the parameter background. The Caption panel sets the title, description, and link of the showcase. In the General accordion, you can define how to present Information panel, the position, background color of information, and the action that will happen when the viewer clicks on the Information panel, new or current browser. In the Title accordion, you can define to show title, link, or not, and define the CSS declaration to be applied to the title. The Description and Link accordion allows you to define the show description, link, or not. Set the number of word limitations for descriptions and define the CSS declaration to be applied to the description text. Next is the Thumbnail panel to set the configuration related to the image thumbnail. Thumbnail panel presentation allows you to define the show thumbnail panel or not. Here you can adjust settings for the thumbnail panel's position, background color, normal state, and active state color. You can also define the width, height of each thumbnail, and thumbnail border allows you to set the thickness of the border. In the Toolbar panel, you can set the functionality of the gallery, including next photo, previous photo, pause, play, and more. Toolbar panel presentation help you define how to present the toolbar panel. Show Image Counter helps you show the counter in the panel. Finally, the slideshow panel allows you to set the gallery behavior when it plays the slideshow. Slide timing defines the duration of a single image presentation. Autoplay defines the slideshow to start automatically right after the gallery is loaded or not. With slideshow looping, select yes if you want the slideshow to start over again. Don't forget to click the save button when you've finished. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.